Chainlink on the monthly chart, $21 and holding steady. Where are we to expect next? Well, good things. 21 has been the level for a while. On the macro scale, it's right there. The 618 on Fibonacci for Chainlink from our swing high, all-time highs to our swing lows, all-time lows, right? Not likely to ever see that again. And not only that, I put out a tweet on X yesterday saying Chainlink never going back to single digits again, and I will stand by that. I do not think Chainlink will ever see that. And if you were lucky enough to buy in the 500 days of sideways, consider yourself one of the lucky ones. Or maybe not so lucky, right? Long consolidation equals big moves. We've had all green candles since September. Up only. Quite the definition, right? Monthly candles, all green. So knocking on the door of the 618. Good things are still to come. We're early in the alt season. We're not even in alt season, right? I put this out in our Telegram alerts group this morning. Look at this, right? You might have seen the alt season, which is not already, but if you go to the year index, check this out. Look how early we are. Go back to the years past. Look at when alt season actually hits. Look at where we are now. We're just getting started. So if you think you've fumbled this already, you're not. You haven't, right? You got plenty of time. Get your plan now, right? Chainlink, the big caps, right? Chainlink's in the top 20. It's not going to move like a meme coin, but guess what? It will be here longer than your meme coin. Chainlink is going to get started, right? Maybe underway right now, but it's early, right? So don't get discouraged. Chainlink it's coming, okay? All right. So having said that, the 618, all the signs are here. We have 7 green monthly candles, working on our 8th right now, right? 20 days, we'll see. 618, next target is $31 on the fib extension, right? You can see our previous kind of high there, right? Our kind of bounce from 2021. So 30 to 31, that's our next target on the monthly, the macro scale. It's important to look at the macro. If you're panicking too much, zoom out. Let's now look at zooming in and panic more. The weekly chart for Chainlink, right? We're still holding the EMA 8 for the most part. We got a little bit of a slip there, but holding the EMA 14, you can see I have my moving averages in order. This is what you want. We're just getting started. They're just started to get sorted out. The big moves in any coin and Chainlink come when they get not only sorted out, but then start to spread out here. Look back in history, right? Look at these kind of moves. All moving averages in line, right? From least to greatest. We've just done that on the weekly chart. It's just now happening. We just crossed the 50 in February, right? I mean, like, chill out. It's coming, right? $10 billion market cap, a little bit longer to turn the tides than a $200 million market cap, right? Hopefully that makes sense to you. 618 on the weekly, right? But that $31 level, we have a slight, checkpoint. Let's go with that. Before that, what is it? I'm glad you asked. It's right here, right? So these local tops, our next little top at around $27 to $28 level right here. You had a couple of tops back here, tops here, tops here. So checkpoint number 1, maybe we get to this. Obviously we're going to get to it before the $31 level. Maybe a little quicker, right? Then we might get there, right? Maybe we have a run here, then we chill out, right? Chainlink doesn't usually just melt face up mode only, right? We move in waves, in little cycles. Big move up, consolidate, move up, consolidate, and paint the picture, light the candle. So our next target on the macro scale is 27. After that, 31. After that, right? I did want to show you one more thing on the monthly, that if we look at this, right, the highest monthly close ever for Chainlink is $38. Once we really close above that with a monthly candle, like price discovery, right? You close above that, it's game over, right? We're working on the big stuff. So 38 sounds a lot better than getting to upper 50s, right? The weekly candle, yeah, it's still up there, but the monthly macro scale, close above 38 any given month. We'll take March, April, sure. Then we're set to really get to price discovery, and then all bets off. I would expect a minimum triple digits this year out of Chainlink. That's the new hashtag. triple digit Chainlink. I put that out on X yesterday as well. What else do we got? How about the daily? Let's go look at the shorter time frame for all the people getting FOMO, getting left behind, so to speak, right? Remember the market cap, right? Remember what you're in. You're not in a stupid ass meme coin. You're not in the hot new AI shit, right? It's not supposed to be. You're in the safest play in crypto, in my opinion. It's Chainlink, right? So if you're either in that boat and that mindset, or you're not here for the right reasons, right? If you think you're going to make a 200x next month in Chainlink, that's the wrong boat. But guess what? We might still be here in 200 years from now. All right, so keep that in mind. Daily chart, still looking strong, right? We're looking better than this. This is just chopped back and forth. Look up here now, and we're actually trending up. We have high, higher high, higher high. We're closing higher, right? So uptrend started, and if you look at it, look at this little uptick in all of these moving averages, right? This little swing move, right? All little things start to paint the picture. Bob Ross, right? Bob Ross, Chainlink. Bob Ross would have bought Chainlink, right? You can too. About as boring as him. Just kidding. All right, so I don't know where I'm going. We're getting off tangent here. How about the moving averages or indicators? How are they looking? Right, we're strong. We have our RSI strong. You want it above 50 always, right, to promote strength. It's just comparing your asset to the rest of the market. Don't use it for oversold and overbought, right? Throw that out the window. I like MFI for that better, and Fisher is even better. So down here, right? We talk about all that stuff in our Telegram group. ADX and DI is starting to get going again. We're bullish, starting to flip bull, diverging from each other, and look at their ADX starting to move up. 25 is considered a strong move. We're knocking on the door. So if you've been waiting, and we know you have, perhaps we're right on the breakout moves. Okay, so patience, you've got it. You're in Chainlink, right? The Titanic, right? We're in the top 20 market cap in all of crypto out of 10,000 plus coins. What do you think? We're here, right? Top 10, of course. Top 5, we should be. Top 1, maybe. All right, maybe eventually. Chainlink Trust is already there. Go check that one out if you haven't. We're only Chainlink Trust is only 10x higher. So Chainlink daily update. I won't be able to make one tomorrow. I'll be out of towns. Kids are on spring break, so be a little sketchy if you don't think I died if I don't make a Chainlink video tomorrow. You'll survive, hopefully, right? Just look at pictures of Chainlink memes and to hold you over. So hopefully this helps calm your little mind, and we'll get back to it after this tan fades. Or sunburn is more like it. God, my nose, it's like Oscar the Grouch, and I don't know where I went with that. Bozo the Clown, that was where I was going with. Anybody remember that? No one's that old here, right? Bozo the Clown, he had his own damn TV show. All right, let's, I used to watch it. Quote of the day, no man was ever wise by chance. By Seneca, right? Takes a lot of experience. All right, car of the day, or should I say Helephant of the day, the AMW 1000 Helephant. You're like, what is that? I've never heard of it, right? You've heard of the Dodge Demon, right? Have you heard of the Dodge Hellcat? Have you heard of the Helephant? Well, here it is in Jeep form. Holy hell. This makes your Gladiator look like a little micro machine. Saw this at a car show, had to take it, got a couple versions of it. This is the only Helephant. The others are demons. Pretty slick. You can have one for 300K. Just 300.